Let us see today. I have came with new what I told you in last lecture, that is what today best analogy to understand what atom. Okay, so now today we will understand atom with best analogy. Okay, so what is that analogy? Let us see, my dear student. As we know, there is a what in whole of the universe there is a so many galaxies, set of galaxies, that is whole of the universe made up of some set of galaxies. Inside the galaxies there is a many number of solar like solar system. Inside solar system there is a number of planet. Let us say take one planet. Okay, so this is our planet, what? Earth, beautiful Earth. What is that? Earth. So this is our beautiful planet Earth. So inside what? So in Earth what is there? There is a so many what? Country, number of countries there. What? Number of countries. Okay, so this Earth is what? This Earth, here you see, this is my Earth, this is my Earth. Okay, so this Earth, inside Earth there is a number of country, there is a number of what? Country. This Earth is what? This Earth is nothing but a solid material. Okay, some solid what? Material. This Earth is some solid material. Okay, so this Earth is solid material, this Earth is some solid material. Okay, so now in Earth what is there? Country. What? Country. Inside in Earth there is a country, Okay, so this is solid material Earth, and inside solid material what is there? Atom. What? Atom. So this country related to what? Atom. What? Atom. There is a atom. Okay, so now this is what? This is our understanding of what? This is best analogy to understand what? Atom. Now inside what? Country. So remember, there is one condition, that one VIP house. Okay, in every city there is a one VIP house with single room. This is the condition to understand this analogy in best way. Okay, what is the condition? Remember, in every city has one VIP house with single room. Just you keep it in mind. Okay, so this is country, this is atom. Inside the atom what is there? Inside the atom we have seen what? Energy. What? Energy level. What? Energy level. Inside what? Inside country we have seen. Inside country what is there? State. What? State. There is a number of state. Okay, so number of state. Country belongs to atom, and this state belongs to energy level. This state belong to energy level. Okay, so now come to inside state is what? Inside state there is a number of city. What? Number of city. There is a number of city. Okay, so let us say there is one city. Okay, so inside state what is that? City. There is a city. So inside energy level what is there? Inside energy level there is a energy subshell. What? Energy. There is a energy subshell. What? Subshell. There is a energy subshell. Okay, so inside energy level there is a energy subshell. Inside state there is a number of city. Okay, city belongs to what? City belongs to energy subshell. As the number of state varies, as the number on the state vary, like in India how many state is there? Like 30 state. As number 30, the state which has number 30 has large number of what? Large number of energy subshell. As we know very well, as the energy level increases, number of subshell also increases. So therefore let us say inside state, so big state is, let us say big state is UP. Okay, Uttar Pradesh, UP has more number of city. So therefore in Uttar Pradesh there is a more number of energy subshell. Okay, so energy subshell inside city. Okay, so now every city has what I told you, every city has, you have to keep in mind, every city has one VIP house with single room. Okay, so VIP house, there is a one VIP house. Okay, VIP house with single room. So there is a VIP house with single room. Okay, so inside energy, inside what, inside energy subshell, what you will find inside energy subshell, there is a orbital. There is what, orbital. What is that, orbital? Orbital. Okay, so this is what, orbital. So this is what, orbital. Orbital. From here I can say that what, this VIP house belongs to what, orbital. Belongs to what, orbital. Now belongs to what, orbital. Okay, VIP house. Inside VIP house with single room, inside VIP house with single room, what is there? Inside VIP house with single room, there is a 2 bed. Okay, how many bed? 2 bed. So there is a 2 bed. And inside orbital, what is there? Inside orbital, there is a quantum state, or what, energy state. So there is a, how many quantum state? 2 quantum state. How many? 2 quantum state. So these are what, quantum, these are what, quantum state. Okay, so these are quantum state. Okay, quantum state, or you can say energy state. There is what, 2 energy state. Okay, so there is 2 energy state. Okay, so these energy state or quantum state belongs to what, belongs to what, belongs to 2 bed. 2 bed in single room. Okay, so this is what, single room. Okay, single room with 2 bed. These are bed. Bed belongs to what, quantum state. So quantum state belongs to bed, single bed, or you can say here quantum state. Okay, quantum state belongs to single bed. Okay, so this is what analogy is like that. Okay, first we took what, earth as a solid material. Inside earth there is a number of country. Okay, number of country is like a atom, like what, atom. Okay, we took one atom out of solid, we took one country out of earth. Then after that we took one energy level out of atom, we took one state out of country. Then we took what, one energy subshell out of energy level. Then we took what, one city out of state, one city. We took one city, one beautiful city out of state. We took here energy subshell out of energy level. So city belongs to energy subshell. Then from city, then from energy level and energy level, we took one orbital out of it. Okay, we took one orbital from what, energy subshell. Okay, then here from city we took one VIP house. There is what, one VIP house, and this VIP house belongs to orbital. Then from VIP house we took what, in VIP house, inside VIP house, what is there? There is what, single room. Okay, with single room, inside room what is there? 2 bed. Now here inside orbital there is a 2 quantum state. So that's why quantum state related to single bed. What, single bed. So where exactly the electron is sitting? Where exactly the electron is sitting? Okay, so this is what analogy. Earth, just you take earth, out of earth you take one country. After country, what will come? After country there is a state. After state you go to city. After city you go to one VIP house with single room. Then one VIP house with single room, you go to what, 2 bed. Inside single room, 2 bed. These 2 bed are what, quantum state or energy state. Okay, so this is similarly here. First, solid, earth belongs to solid material, country belongs to atom. Okay, country belongs to atom, and state here belongs to energy level, and city belongs to energy subshell, and one VIP house with single room belongs to orbital. And here if you see here, this single room with 2 bed, with these 2 bed or this bed belongs to quantum state. How many bed? 2 bed. How many quantum state? 2 quantum state or energy state. Where is the electron? Electron is sitting in single bed, which is given by the condition, which is following the principle of Pauli exclusion principle, which states that only one electron must occupy the given quantum state with opposite spin. forget this analogy. Okay, so just keep it, just remind 1 to 3 times and remaining, then after that forever it will store, it will get stored in your what, in your subconscious mind. Okay, it just will copy in your what, ROM, read only memory. You will never forget this. Okay, so this analogy is the best analogy to understand what atom. Okay, atom. So atom is like this: state is belong to energy level, city belong to energy subshell, and one VIP house. Okay, then what will come? One VIP house. Okay, so in energy subshell means there is a number of energy subshell. Okay, so it will increase as the number of energy level increases, means the number of state increases, so then and number of energy subshell increase. These subshell are what? S shell, SP shell, SPD shell, SPDF shell, as and vary. So this is just the analogy to understand what atom, what exactly, where exactly the electron is sitting inside atom. Electron is sitting in one, electron is present in one VIP house with single room and both electrons, and there two electron is sitting on two single bed. Okay, two single bed. Okay, so this is what analogy to understand what atom. So thank you very much. Please, one request to all of you is that subscribe, like, share and comment on my channel. So this is only the request. Okay, so thank you. So now we will go to further discussions on electronic device and circuit, because main purpose is over, where we want to find the exact locations of what electron that we have found easily. Now we are ready to study what electronic device and circuit or semiconductor device analysis. Now we are ready, because we are now perfect, that we know where, what are the purpose of to find the exact location of electron. Why? Because as we know very well that semiconductor allow us to change the property of a material. By changing that property of material, that is conductivity, resistivity and mobility, by changing that we have a control over the flow of a electron, over what? Flow of a electron. Okay, so from where we can vary or we can increase or decrease the magnitude of current, and hence in this way we can play with what device and can generate a lot of application. As per the definitions of electronics means what? That is the study about the behavior of what? Electron. For that purpose, first of all we have to find the exact locations of what? Electron, where exactly the electron is sitting. So that is the purpose to explore the atom properly, where exactly the electron is sitting. So this we have done. Okay, so now we are ready to study the electronic device and circuit. Okay, so thank you very much.